Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please click the red subscribe button below for subscribing the channel and bell icon for further notifications. Today let's make chole, the masaladar chole and the bhature combo. Everyone loves the puffy bhature with chole. Let's see how to do it today. For this, I am taking 1 cup of chole, the big chana, and soak it overnight. In the morning, let's take a pressure cooker and put the soaked chana and water and pressure cook it for 10 whistles, 8 to 10 whistles approximately. And after it's cooked, let's see how it's done. See, it's so nicely cooked now. Let's make the tadka. In the same pressure cooker, I am putting 2 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of jeera and some slit chilies. See, I have slit it in between, around 2 chilies. Next goes some asafoetida, that is the hing. Then goes the finely chopped onions. It's around 1 medium size onion. Let's cook it nicely. Once it's well done, now we make the puree of it until it's cooked. I am taking 1 medium onion in a mixie jar and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Let's grind it. After grinding, we are going to put 3 medium tomatoes and make a paste out of it. Now let's put this paste to the tadka, what we were doing in the pressure cooker. Let it well cook. Until it's getting cooked nicely, let's put the masalas. I am putting here 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then goes our turmeric powder. Next, we are going to put garam masala. I have MTR garam masala powder today. Let's put 3/4 teaspoon garam masala. Then freshly ground dhania powder or coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Then freshly grounded jeera powder 1 teaspoon. Let's mix them and let it cook all together very nicely in the oil. Till now we have not put any water to it. Let's cook nicely. Now I am putting butter. This is totally optional. Just to get a taste of restaurant style, little bit of butter tastes very nice. So I have put little butter. If you don't want it, you can avoid it. Now I am putting the water. I just put the water in the mixie in which I grinded and put that water. 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt according to your taste. Now I am putting the pressure cooked chole and mix it well. Let's put the kasuri methi. Crush the kasuri methi nicely with the palms and put some kasuri methi to it and mix it well too. Now after this, we need all the gravy to go inside the chana to taste it very nice. So let's pressure cook it all together once for 2 whistles. After the normal pressure release, our chole is ready. Let's put some coriander leaves into it and mix it again. Now it's totally ready. Let's serve it in a serving bowl. I am taking it out in a serving bowl. This tastes very nice when it is served hot. I am garnishing it with some coriander on the top. Serve it hot. Now let's do bhature. Bhature, crispy bhatures. For this, in a mixing bowl, I am taking 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, that is salt according to your taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, the cooking soda, and mix it well. For this, I am putting 2 tablespoons of fine suji. This is nice. This tastes nice because when it fluffs, it stands there if you put suji, and it tastes very nice, the bhatures. Now I am putting 1 tablespoon of oil, and let's mix it with the hands. When you mix it, it holds the shape like this. Now let's put some buttermilk. You have to put 1/4 cup of buttermilk for 1 cup of all-purpose flour. After mixing that, let's put little water at a time and make a dough. Just nicely mix it and make it like a dough of a chapati. See, now it's getting ready. After this, we have to keep it for rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, now let's remove it. Now make the bhatures. I have taken a big lemon size dough, like it's not a it's like a chapati size ball, and put some oil on the rolling pin and roll it. It will not be very thin like chapati, it will be a bit thicker one. Roll it like a puri size. Since we are doing at home, I am doing a puri size one. In restaurants, it will be bigger than that. You can do whichever size you want to. Now our first bhature is ready. Now let's put it in a hot oil. Just check the oil whether it's too hot. Yes, now put it in the hot oil. Now keep the flame to medium and go on putting the oil from the sides so that you get such fluffy bhatures. Let's turn it now and cook it on the other side for 1 minute. Just press so that it cooks everywhere. Now our bhature is ready. Let's take it out on a paper towel. The hot bhature is ready to go into the plate. See how nice it is. See how fluffy. Now our serving plate is also ready with some cucumber, onions and pickle. Our hot chole with bhatures. Let's serve them hot to our family and friends. Enjoy this with everyone. Thank you, and if not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe.